Hi, Unbox Noah here. Here we have Obi-Wan Kenobi, the complete series on 4K Steelbook. It has Dolby Atmos on the 4K discs. On the Blu-ray it's Master Order 5.1. Runtime is 260 minutes. And it has HDR10, as I believe. So let's take a look inside. Card. Just loose. Kind of matte finish. Spine, Lucasfilm, blue disc. Backside. Got these art cards. And there's some kind of disc art, 4K disc, episode 1 to 3, there's 6 episodes. There's disc 2, here's the Blu-ray disc. That's how they look. And I got the inside, if you can see it. The whole thing. Yes, if you're into collecting steelbooks, 4Ks, Blu-ray, please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.